we're taking a quick day trip from San Sebastián to Bayonne, France. I'm going to show you exactly what you can do in one day. We're starting the day bright and early at the San Sebastián bus station, ready to head out. The trip should take us about an hour and a half to reach Bayonne, and the ticket prices range anywhere from $6 to $18 depending on the time. We just arrived to Bayonne. Bayonne is a beautiful, walkable city in southwestern France, filled with colorful buildings and historic charm. It's an easy place to explore in your own pace, with great food and a relaxed feel. So we just got off the bus, and now we're walking over to the city, crossing the river. It's very beautiful. And we're gonna check out the cathedral first. It is Sunday, so there might be some services going on, but let's go check it out and see if we can go inside. I think we made it. St. Mary's Cathedral dates back to the 13th century, and it's a great example of Gothic architecture. The cathedral holds the remains of Saint Leon, a bishop who came to Bayonne around the year 900 to help rebuild Christianity after the region was attacked by the Normans. This bold, colorful section is part of the choir and altar area, and it's decorated in what's called polychrome Gothic decoration. It's been an important part of the city's history for centuries, and is even a stop along the Camino de Santiago pilgrimage route. Absolutely one of the most stunning cathedrals I've ever seen. Beautiful. Before heading to our next stop, we thought it was a good time to grab some coffee and a sweet treat. From here, it's just a 5-minute walk to Bayonne's Fine Art Museum. It is very busy though, and we did have to wait in line, but it's totally worth it. It's a beautiful museum. It's gorgeous. This museum is known for having one of the largest collection of classical paintings in France outside of Paris. You'll find works from artists like Goya, El Greco, and Rubens. A lot of the collection actually comes from Léon Bonnet, a painter from Bayonne who donated his work to the city. It's definitely a spot that you could get lost for hours. Just about a 5-minute walk from here, we're heading to Les Halles de Bayonne. It's one of the best stops when visiting the city. I can't ever not resist the ham iberico. I want it so much.
This market has it all. Local foods, regional products, and it's where locals come to shop, eat, and enjoy.
Okay, so we're gonna hop on to the next. We're gonna head over to the Basque Museum. So let's go. We just got in. The museum is free. I don't know if it's today only because it's Sunday or if it's always free. I'll find out and let you know. But yay! So let's go check it out.
The museum is actually inside one of the oldest buildings in Bayonne. It dates back to the 1500s and was once a hospital. One of the most interesting details is that there is still a small window where people could anonymously leave abandoned children. The Basque people predate Christianity and Spain even being a country. It's why they have their own identity that's completely different from France and Spain. It's why you'll notice they have their own language and traditions throughout the region.
So again, how the Basque would live. That's like an old fireplace. And here's like a room. The bed. And then here's the cradle. The thing is, all the signs are in French, Basque, and Spanish. So, oh yes, it's beautiful. So I have to have my husband translate. So everyone knows what something is, he has to tell me.
The museum gives you a better understanding of the culture, the traditions, and even the language. So when you're walking around the city, it all starts to make more sense.
Absolutely beautiful museum. I love all the bright, vibrant paintings. It's absolutely gorgeous. Wow, and this is free. Insane. Okay, you're probably gonna find this hard to believe, but we've worked up an appetite. So, I mean, of course we're gonna come and eat in Basque French country. So let's go.
So since we worked up an appetite, we're stopping here at Chuch. Fun fact, Chuch is the call used in Basque cider houses when they open the barrels. Chuch. Since we're on the road and this is just like a day trip, we decided we wanted a little bit more of like sit down, some warmth. It started raining, so we're here to have some lunch. Okay, so we're starting off with some charcuterie. We've got the jamón ibérico, some pepperoni, and I'm not sure what the cheese is, but let's just give it a try.
It's goat cheese.
Oh, it's goat cheese? I love, it's such a treat to come here and get the ham ibérico. It's just the best. The cheese has like, the cheese is a little pungent, but it goes so well with the ham, the bread, freshly made. Oh, so good. So because we're hungry, we decided to get like a platter of like many things. So we have calamari, we have croquettes. Why couldn't I think of croquettes? We have some grilled squid, and this also looks like some grilled jamón.
Yeah.
So we're just, you know, we're hungry. We're digging in. We're gonna get the croquettes here. Ooh, yeah, it's a ham croquette. Oh, it looks really like gooey and delicious inside. It smells really good too. Very good. Let's try some of this grilled squid. That is so good. Grilled jamón. Oh, that's good too. Oh my goodness. Listen, it's rainy, it's cold. There's nothing better. We're in France, we're eating food, we're drinking wine. I mean, what a great day. What a great day. Okay, so for our final dish, we got, this is our final dish, right?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, we're fine. We were hungry. He kept saying, I think I ordered too much food. And I was like, I think we're okay. But I wasn't really sure how much he ordered. Okay, so we got the lamb shank. I have to say, it smells amazing. It's tender. Easy to eat, not chewy. It's good. Wow, and just like that, that's a day in Bayonne. It's such an easy city to explore. Great food, a lot of character, and just a really enjoyable place to spend the day. If you're in this part of France or northern Spain, it's definitely worth the stop. Well, if you haven't already, I invite you to hit that subscribe button because we have more travel, more food, more fun coming your way. We'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.